In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export spaces in Confluence. If you need a reliable backup of a space or a shareable document version of your content, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to export a full Confluence space safely and confidently. First, open the space you want to export. Look to the left sidebar and click the settings gear icon. From there, go to Content Tools, then choose Export. Keep in mind that you'll need space admin permissions to see and use these options. If you don't have access, ask your Confluence admin to grant you the appropriate permissions or run the export on your behalf. Next, choose the export type that best fits your goal. XML export gives you a complete backup of the space, including pages, attachments, and metadata. This is ideal if you plan to move content to another Confluence instance or keep a full archival copy. PDF export creates a PDF document of your pages, typically limited to visible content, which is perfect for sharing or offline reading. Select the option you want and continue to the next screen. Now configure the export. For XML, decide whether to include all pages or only selected pages. This is helpful if you only want a specific section of the space. For PDF, choose your page layout and size, and decide whether to include optional content like comments. Take a moment to double check these choices to avoid missing important pages or context. By the way, if you're accessing Confluence for the first time or need a quick way to sign in, I've placed the official Confluence link at the top of the description so you can get to the site quickly. When your settings look good, start the export. Click Export and let Confluence process the space. Larger spaces may take several minutes, so keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it works. When the export completes, you'll see a download link. Click it to save the file to your computer. For XML exports, remember that you can later import this file into another Confluence instance if needed. After downloading, verify the results. Open the PDF or inspect the XML archive and confirm that pages, attachments, and formatting look correct. If something's missing, return to the export settings and adjust your selections. A quick tip before you rely on a large backup: try exporting a small test space first. It's a simple way to confirm your settings and ensure the process works as expected. That's it. You've successfully exported a Confluence space. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your backups and migrations.